What's up, guys? This is the new van. I just bought it like 3 minutes ago. I did it, guys. I bought a van. So we're making a fire to celebrate the new van. Pour me another drink. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the inside. That's the front. Isn't it cool? And the back is so cozy. I'm gonna put some new blankets on there. It's gonna be pimping. This is what it looks like from outside. And in the back, there's so much storage here. You can lift this up and it becomes like a couch. And you also got a bunch of storage underneath it, what is awesome. I love it. It's so cool.
That's really cool.
Alright guys, so we got her inspected, we got new parts, the insurance is under my name, so let's bring her for a drive.
Newsleader.
Good afternoon. Living with COVID and the Q-Leg extension. Western leaders allege is an imminent invasion. Moscow has denied it intends to